Working with Excel, you may often come across situations where you have duplicate values in a list. While Excel provides a remove duplicates feature, sometimes you may want duplicates to be automatically flagged as soon as they're entered. Step 1. Navigate to the Data Validation tool. Let's start by setting up automatic duplicate detection using the Data Validation feature. First, click on the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. Then select Data Validation from the options available. Step 2. Enter a custom formula. Once the dialog box opens, navigate to the Settings tab. Under the Allo drop-down menu, select Custom. In the Formula field, we will now enter a formula to prevent duplicate entries. Type this formula: count if $1 at $20, $1. What this does is check whether the value you're entering appears more than once within the specified range, in this case, cells $1 to $20. Feel free to adjust the range, $1 to $20, to match the cells where you expect your data to be entered. Step 3. Confirm and apply the data validation. Now click OK to apply the validation rule to your selected column. Step 4. Test the validation rule. Now, let's test it. If you try to enter a duplicate value, Excel will immediately alert you with a warning dialog box, preventing the duplicate entry. Step 5. Customize the error message. You can also customize the error message that appears by going back into Data Validation and selecting the Error Alert tab. Here you can provide a more detailed message to inform users about the rule. With this simple setup, you can now automatically prevent duplicate entries in Excel, ensuring your data remains clean and accurate without the need to manually remove duplicates. Thank you for watching. For more Excel tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe.